Hello?
What time are you getting here then?
Fuck. Yeah, I completely forgot that was tonight. Fuck, I'm so sorry. I've just got so much paperwork to do. Before tomorrow. These deadlines are killing me.
It's Saturday tomorrow, John.
Did I say tomorrow? What am I like? I meant Monday, obviously. But yeah, I've just got so many documents to go through. I really don't think I'll be able to come over, you know? I've only had this job for a few months. I don't want to be falling behind on anything. I'm sure you understand that.
Look, just come over, okay? It will be fine. I'll get Ricky to come pick you up, and then you won't have to worry about driving, right?
Who's Ricky?
Ricky, remember, that guy? He beat you up in school that time. It was your birthday party, and he stole your shoes and threw them in the river that time. That's Ricky.
You should have said. What a guy. We love Ricky. What a guy.
Anyway, we'll see you later then, yeah?
Yeah, you betcha. Should I go? Oh, I can't be fucked anyway. What if Jess is there? So will Ricky. I fucking hate Ricky. What a dickhead. Why would you get Ricky to pick me up out of everyone else? Seriously. I mean, why is Ricky even there? Who the fuck invited Ricky?
Who's Ricky?
Hello?
I said, who's Ricky?
Sky, are you still there?
I thought you said Ricky.
Right, whoever's doing this isn't funny anymore, okay?
Wait, John, can you hear me? I'm over here. Yep, warmer. No, cold. Colder. Colder. Warmer. 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 Yes! Boiling hot! Ha! Absolutely, you are boiling hot! Hey, John.
Ah!
John, I don't mean to be rude, mate, but can you not throw me on the floor like that, please? Also, can you lift me up, right? I can barely talk. Yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah. Right in the staples. That's definitely going to leave a dent somewhere. Ooh, oh, that's better. Anyway, as I was saying, who's Ricky? Eh? I've never heard of him.
What the fuck is happening?
I just asked a question. I didn't know who Ricky was. I guess you're more worried about how I'm talking to you, right? Thought so. Well, as you can see, I'm a stapler. I can talk and live and do most things really, other than skipping. Still haven't got my head around that yet. Weird. Anyway, any other questions? You can talk, John.
Sorry, I'm just a bit shocked. That's all. Like, how the fuck are you talking right now? Like, as in, like, why or how? Like, also, like, when did this start happening? Like, have you always been able to speak, or has this only just started happening? Like,
John?
what? Also, can you, like, breathe? Do you have a heart, or do you have some kind of functioning brain underneath the staples?
John.
Like, oh no. Oh, if you've always been there alive, like, have you seen me wank before and never said anything?
Oh, I think that's enough of that. John, can we get back on track, please? Yes, I can talk. I've been able to for a while. You've just never seemed to answer me back, or hear me, to be fair.
So, this isn't all just going on inside my head right now?
No, of course not. This is really happening, John.
Uh-huh.
And yes, I can understand you and speak English.
Mm-hmm. Stapler?
Yeah, I'm still here, John.
Sorry, I thought you might have just died or something.
No, John.
Cool. Right, cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. Anyway, so it was great meeting you and everything, but I really better head off because I've got to go to a friend's house and I'm a bit late. So.
Wait, what? I thought you weren't going.
How do you know I was thinking of not going?
When you spoke to that Sky person, you definitely sounded like you weren't going in the end.
You heard that too?
Pretty sure I just said a few seconds ago, I've always understood you. Did you listen to a fucking word I said?
Hey, sorry, it's just all a bit odd, that's all. Like, I've never spoken to a stapler before, or anything like you as a matter of fact.
Anything like me? Well, I'll try not to take that personally.
So, have you got a name?
No, I haven't really got a name, come to think of it.
Well, do you want one?
Yeah, definitely, I'd love a name.
Okay, how about, Sarah?
Sarah? No.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a guy, John.
My bad. Yeah, sorry. Okay, how about Steve?
Steve the Stapler?
Exactly. How cool.
That's a fucking shit name, John. I'm not being called Steve.
Fine, we'll just stick with Stapler then. We're not getting anywhere, are we?
Fine. Good idea. That's it. Stapler it is.
So what's your name, friend?
Yeah, that's just a pencil, John.
Of course, yeah, sure. I'm not going to ask why it doesn't talk then. So, how long have you been able to understand me? Because you used to be my dad's stapler. He's had it for years, since I was young, I'm sure. I remember it on his desk at work.
Yeah, that's right, John. I've seen you grow up from a little boy, all shy and nervous, to a full-grown adult. Still shy and nervous. But that's not the point. I was hoping this day would come, and the day you would finally understand me, and well, here we are.
So weird, but cool, I guess. I mean, you've been through so much.
Yeah, all the house moves, all of the rearranging of the office, and yeah, it's been a lot.
I bet. Do you want a beer?
I don't know. I've never had one before.
Oh, you'll love it. It's great. You'll love it. I'll grab you one.
So he picked me up, put me around these beautiful pieces of A5 paper, and guess what? Guess what I fucking did next?
What did you do?
I stapled it together with my staples, John.
Oh man, I never knew how funny you were, dude.
Oh, you didn't even know me until a few hours ago, John.
Yeah, that's right.
All out. Better out than in. There you go. Any more? A little bit more. Okay. Fine. That's it. Oh no, there's more.
I still have no idea how you're talking right now, but I've never laughed so hard in my life.
Ah, John, I appreciate that. I really do. I appreciate this. You know, I've seen you each day coming back from work. Bags under your eyes, greasy hair, tired, day in, day out. You staple documents together, work until late and get up early. It's horrible, John. But today, I haven't seen you like this since you were little. Being happy is the greatest form of success, and don't you think anything else. The only thing that will make you happy, John, is being who you are, not what people want you to be. Be you, John, be you.
Thank you, Stapler. I wish I had more days like these, you know. I get so worked up on life, you know, in my job and at home, that I miss everything that happens around me. All the wonderful events, opportunities, parties, people, everything. So focused on working and not wanting to be myself. I want to be happy. I want to look around, I want to take in what happens around me. I want to be free. And that's how you've made me feel, Stapler. I feel free again. I said I want to feel happy, Stapler, and that's how you've made me feel. Stapler? Can you hear me? Stapler? Stapler! Stapler, talk to me, bud! Stapler! Stapler, talk to me, bud! Just a minute! Stapler! Stapler, talk to me! Stapler!
John, he's awake.
What happened? Where am I? Where's Stapler?
Who's Stapler?
What happened? Why am I here?
What do you remember, John?
Well, I just came off the phone with you after you invited me to the party, and this Stapler started talking to me. We spoke for ages. He said he knew me for years.
He?
Yes, the Stapler, he.
Okay, then.
And then I was sick. Probably something I drank or ate. And then these paramedics came in and threw Stapler on the floor and he broke into two. That's all I remember. Now I'm here.
That's not what happened, John.
What happened then?
Hey, dude.
Hi, Ricky.
Hey, yeah, you doing alright? Pretty little gather, right?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Just been working as usual.
Oh, yeah, working, yeah. Well, you know me, I haven't had to work a day in my life.
Yeah, of course. After since your parents give you your
Yeah,
money,
yeah, man,
yes,
yeah.
I know. I should pop over sometime, maybe.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Yeah, we need to talk about it, yeah.
Fucking idiot.
John, yes! Oh,
yeah.
hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I just had a chat with your boyfriend.
I know.
Great guy, right?
He hasn't had to work for years, you know that?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, mind blown. Really is. I'm clearly missing out on something.
Yeah.
Wow, cool. Drugs. Cool. I think I'll pass if that's okay. Maybe next time.
Don't be a fucking pussy, John.
Cheers, Ricky. Yeah, appreciate it, mate. Fine, okay, fine. A small bit. I'll take a small bit.
How much did you give it?
Not that much.
Hey, John. I've never heard of him. John.
He's over there.
Have you seen me have a rank before?
Who's he talking to? Is he talking to that stapler?
I don't know. I've never seen that one.
Wait. And then what? I ended up here after talking to a stapler.
Well.
That's not how I remember it at all.
Might not be how you remember it, but it's what happened, really. Anyway, you're okay, and that's all that matters, right? So, the police are going to be here in a second. Me and Ricky are going to go, if it's okay. Just don't mention anything about us or the drugs, okay? Because I have a lot on my plate as it is.
What do you mean don't mention it?
Just don't mention that we gave you the drugs or anything like that.
They've already gone through my fucking body. They know about the shit that you gave me.
Okay, just say it was the staple or something then, I don't know.
Yeah, we're all funny.
You gave us quite a scare here, John. I still can't believe how much of this was in you, if I'm being honest. Good news is you're okay now. The road to recovery will be a long one. But just count yourself lucky. There have been a lot of people who've been in your position before who didn't make it. Unfortunately. Reckless behaviour, if you ask me.
I wasn't going to ask you, actually.
Anyway, count yourself lucky, because we were pretty certain you weren't going to make it out of this alive. But you did. So, great. But for now, get some rest. Don't start moving and walking around a lot. I'll be back shortly with another doctor. And we'll run some more tests for you to make sure you're 100% better. Then we can discharge you as soon as possible. Is that okay with you?
I was just going to ask when...
Brilliant. I'll be back shortly then.
Stapler? 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 Stapler?
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, John still on for fishing the weekend?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm ready. 7 o'clock.
Perfect, see you there.
I want these files checked, cross-referenced, and on my desk by Monday morning. Understood?
Understood.
John,
Sir,
how are you?
I'm good. Good to be back.
It's nice to have you back. Fancy lunch later?
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Excellent. Good. See you later.
See you
Take
later.
care.
And you.
Father?
John, how you doing, bud? Good to see you.
Yeah, doing well, thanks.
Feeling better, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Listen, a little birdie told me that the reason you've been having all this time off is because you've been doing a bit of the old, you know what I mean?
Well, no, nothing like that. Just an illness. Getting over it. I'm fine now.
Sure. I only asked because, you know, me and the boys have been chatting, and I just don't want you lying to Dad and all. You know how it is.
Not me. Never. Not me. Nope.
Don't mean to be rude. Bit of an excuse, don't you think?
It's not an excuse. It's a fucking reason, right, Marcus?
Loud and clear, John.
Hey,
Oh, you're back.
where's my stuff?
Over there.
Hey, John!
Hey, John!
Oh, what the fuck?